guys and welcome to my channel. So something came in today. So this is from Shopee. So the package is all about the tire sealant. Of course, this tire sealant is they call it as TireCare. The brand is TireCare. So this is the endurance version of the TireCare. So actually TireCare has different versions. Maybe that is for cars, but this endurance is for motorcycles. So together with it, asya nga pala, so I did purchase 2 of this one. So this came in with the tire, yung pangtanggal ng pito at saka yung hose para ilagay mo to sa gulong. So meron pang isa. And together with it, meron siyang free keychain. So thanks TireCare. And the manual. So okay. So why did I bought this tire sealant? This tire sealant actually cost around 750 pesos. This is once on sale, but today it came with the original price, which is about 1,000 pesos each bottle. So each bottle is 400 ml. Okay. So why did I bought this thing? It's because I don't want to cheap out the tire sealant para sa aking gulong. It's because I did pinalitan ko yung gulong ko ng Pirelli. So mahal yung Pirelli actually. So yung back pa lang nun is 4,000 plus na, and yung front is 2,000 plus. So I don't want to cheap out the tire sealant na ilalagay ko. So ayoko na naman na ma-stand sa daan. So just because natusok lang yung gulong ko ng pako or anything na natusok, again, I did bought this because it ensures na hindi masisira yung gulong mo. Say, unlike the cheap ones, ang sabi ng iba na masisira daw yung gulong mo, at the same time magkakarast din yung pito na sa banda. So yun nga, medyo natakot ako, so I did purchase the expensive ones. So each tire, ang ilalagay mo is around 200 ml. Yun ang nasa instruction niya. 200 ml sa back and 200 ml sa front. So that is for normal size of tire. Pero sa akin is semi-big bike yun. So malaki yung gulong sa atras. So maybe I intend to put 300 ml at the back and 200 ml on the front. So that's why binili ko is dalawa. So since naka-sale siya, so hindi ka masakit sa bulsa. Though, masakit naman talaga. Because tigwa 100 or 150 lang yung ordinary nito. So since premium feels, hindi mo talaga ma-feel na cheap yung tire sealant na to. It's because makikita mo talaga sa loob na maganda yung quality niya ng pagka-tire sealant. Because makita ko yung cheap ones, hindi ko masabi, pero parang yung mga iba yung laman. Pero ito parang premium, hindi talaga siya makikita mo talaga sa loob. Hindi mo makikita sa video, of course. So ilalagay natin ito mamaya. At siya nga pala guys, ang use ng tire sealant is only to fix tusok-tusok and anything, not for cuts. Pag yung tire mo is na-cut, nahiwa na siya, hindi niya mapifix yung sira ng gulong nyo. So for tusok-tusok. So we'll see you mamaya.